Metal detecting is a hobby that involves using a metal detector to search for and locate metal objects underground. The objects found can range from coins and jewelry to relics and artifacts. One of the appeals of metal detecting is the potential to discover valuable or historically significant items. Many detectorists also enjoy the thrill of the hunt and the sense of adventure that comes with searching for buried treasure. There are many different types of metal detectors available on the market, each designed for different types of treasure hunting. Some are designed for searching for coins and jewelry in parks and playgrounds, while others are built for hunting for relics and artifacts in historical sites. When metal detecting, it is important to obtain permission before searching on private property and to follow all laws and regulations related to metal detecting. In addition, detectorists should also be respectful of the environment and leave the area in the same condition as they found it. The metal detecting community is a great resource for learning about the hobby, as well as for sharing tips and information about the best places to search and the types of treasures that can be found. Many detectorists also belong to metal detecting clubs, which can provide additional opportunities to learn and to search for treasure. Overall, metal detecting is a fun and exciting hobby that can lead to the discovery of valuable or historically significant items. It requires patience, dedication, and a respect for the laws and regulations related to metal detecting.